Salam and welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about medicines used in Unani medicine or hikmat.
And today's topic is prickly heat or heat rash, scientifically which is also known as miliaria rubra. You can find all the information of this video in my blog post. Link is in the description.
Viewers, I'm a certified Unani and natural medicine practitioner. I'm practicing Unani medicine for more than 20 years. Aim of this channel and video is to share my experience and knowledge with you. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
So, what is prickly heat? Prickly heat or heat rash is a skin problem in which small red spots or bumps appear on the skin with rash like redness, swelling and prickly itching. It can happen at any part of the body, but face, neck, shoulders and chest get affected most. It is a common problem which goes away even without any special treatment in few days. It is very common in babies because their sweat glands are not fully developed and sweating due to nappies. Cause. So, why prickly heat happens? Prime cause of prickly heat is a clogged sweat ducts of sweat glands due to excessive sweating. As we all know, reason for excessive sweating is heat and humid. So, during hot and humid weather or working or living at high temperature places can cause you prickly heat or heat rash. Prevention. First of all, stop excessive sweating by avoiding places with hot and humid climate. Secondly, wear loose and natural fiber clothing like cotton and linen. In hot weather, take a shower at least twice a day. Avoid creams and oils which can clog sweat glands. Drink water and fluids to hydrate. And avoid hot temperament food like beef, eggs, spicy foods, etc. etc. Try to avoid heavy and warm bedding in hot weather. Treatment. First of all, take all the prevention steps as I mentioned, like avoiding heat, wearing loose clothes, taking shower, drinking water and fluids. Soothe the rashes with ice packs or cubes. It will relieve itching too. One simple remedy is to use yogurt and peppermint at the prickly heat area. Make a paste of peppermint leaves by grinding it. Add 1 tablespoon of paste in a bowl of yogurt. Now apply this at prickly heat area or a heat rash. Applying Fuller's Earth at prickly heat rash also helps a lot. But remember, it should be clean and let it dry after applying it. Besides topical or external remedies, use the following drink to control heat rash. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of honey in a glass of water and drink it. You can take this drink twice or thrice a day depending on the weather. Please tell me in the comments which remedy of prickly heat you like.
If you want to know what is Unani medicine, what are temperaments, what are humors, visit this site. You can find the link in description too. Hope you find this information useful. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, comment on it and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can watch all my videos in time. Thanks and salam.